I know, the stuff in the bowl, it looks a little scary. It's just brown butter, and I'm obsessed with it because it makes everything taste better. I mean, a lot better, including these oatmeal cookies.
It adds a toffee-like flavor to the nutty oats and sweet raisins in these crispy, chewy cookies. But we're not stopping here. We're gonna double down on this flavor combo with a lightly spiced brown butter cream filling. To brown the butter, start by melting it in a saucepan over medium heat, and then use a spatula to scrape the bottom continuously as it heats to a boil. This will prevent it from splattering and the milk solids from sticking to the bottom and burning. After just a few minutes, it will become foamy. And then after a few more minutes, you'll notice little brown bits floating to the top as the butter boils. This is the milk solids beginning to brown. So continue to stir, pausing from time to time just to see how dark the butter has become. After just 10 minutes, you'll notice a nutty, sweet, toffee-like aroma, and the butter will be the color of maple syrup. Remove it from the heat and let it cool to room temp. You can speed up the process by popping it in the fridge. Next, cream the cooled brown butter with brown sugar in a large mixing bowl. Add the whole egg and egg yolk, which gives them just enough lift without being cakey and keeps the cookies chewy. I forgot to add the vanilla with the egg. Whoops! So I added it now and then I mixed it all to combine well. In a small bowl, combine the old-fashioned oats, gluten-free flour, almond flour, baking soda, salt, and cinnamon, and just give that a good mix. Then add the oatmeal mixture to the wet batter and use a spatula to bring it all together. Finally, stir in the raisins. You could also add chopped nuts, chocolate chips, or a mixture of all three. Spoon, scoop, or roll the cookie dough onto the parchment-lined baking sheet. In the oven it goes, and 10 minutes later.
Oh my gosh, these cookies smell so incredible. They've got that toffee-like flavor. They're crispy, they're chewy. These are absolutely amazing oatmeal cookies. But why stop here?
So let's take another batch of brown butter and mix it together with powdered sugar until it becomes this incredibly nutty, creamy filling. And then we're gonna pump it up with some garam masala and ground ginger to add warm spice to the mix. Spoon that buttery goodness into a plastic bag, turned into a piping bag, and swirl the smooth, lightly spiced, nutty, buttery cream onto half of the cookies. Top with the remaining cookies, and oh my.
That brown butter is certainly taking these oatmeal cream pies to a whole new level.
You can find the recipe for oatmeal brown butter cream pies at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.